The evaporative cooling systems represent a fundamental innovation in the field of air conditioning, as they achieve efficient cooling by controlled evaporation of water in contact with an air stream. This increasingly popular technology offers a sustainable and cost-effective alternative to reduce ambient temperature, especially in regions with warm climates. To better understand the operation of these systems, it's important to consider the following aspects. 1. In an evaporative system, water molecules are in constant motion due to the passage of an air stream. This molecular activity allows the molecules to acquire the necessary energy to vibrate and separate, facilitating their evaporation. 2. The evaporation of water is a process that requires molecular movement. Although the water doesn't reach the boiling point when it's passed through an air stream, the generated movement favors the separation and evaporation of molecules on the surface. 3. The rate of evaporation can be increased by increasing the speed of the molecules or expanding the contact surface between the liquid and the moving air. Once the process of water evaporation is understood, it's crucial to grasp the mechanism behind the air cooling as it passes through the evaporative cooler. This process can be broken down into the following steps. A. The air cools as it absorbs the evaporating water, reducing its temperature. B. The increase in the absolute humidity of the cooled air further reduces its temperature. C. This cooling process doesn't involve significant heat exchange, resulting in an increase in the relative humidity of the air. D. With higher relative humidity, the air temperature approaches the wet bulb temperature, which is lower than the normal ambient temperature. E. The higher the relative humidity, the lower the air temperature. Furthermore, it's relevant to analyze evaporative systems from the perspective of water usage and how the system comes into contact with it. This classification can be made by considering two main types of equipment. A. Equipment with water recirculation and contact with wet surface, ideal for light cooling applications in enclosed spaces. B. Equipment with water sprayed through nozzles, mainly used to cool outdoor public spaces.